Hey guys, this is Justin Dodson, back here today again for another model car review. Third one of the day, LOL. This is Jada's, or Jada, however you want to pronounce it. It's a Ford truck of some sort. I think it's a Raptor. Yeah, Raptor SVT. It's kind of squeaky. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but anyway, it's pretty squeaky when I drive. LOL. I love those mud-ish decals on the side and on that side. The wheels are pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, so it is an F-150. I thought it wasn't. Oh, that's whatever. I don't really care. It's just a cool truck. That's what matters. And yeah, that hatch opens. Pretty decent the way they engineered that. And the exhaust pipe is right there. And a spare tire that isn't a spare tire. The door is kinda shaky. Like, I think I accidentally bent it some. See, look at that, look at that, look, just look at that. And so if I do that, it wants to hang. See? So yeah. And under the hood, oh, come on. There you go. Not too much detail, but heck, it's a truck, man. It's not a Challenger. Dun dun dun. Okay. Yeah, so it's a truck. It doesn't need much detail. Come on, close that door. Yeah, I like the front end. The wheels are just, since they're so big, the stance is just, the stance is right for this car. I mean, just look at that stance. Yep. So, and I like the chrome around the rim of the wheel. Oh, and the interior, almost forgot. Pretty nice interior there. And I wish these doors opened right here, but they didn't. They don't. And yeah, that is my review of the Jada Ford Raptor SVT F-150 truck. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.